In this video, we're going to talk about isotonics, drinks that are commonly used by athletes and people who practice physical exercises. Isotonic drinks are drinks that contain water, electrolytes, and carbohydrates, and are intended to replace nutrients lost during intense physical exercise, in addition to helping to hydrate and maintain the body's hydroelectrolytic balance. Among the electrolytes present in sports drinks, we can highlight sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are important for muscle contraction, pH regulation, and maintenance of blood osmotic pressure. The carbohydrates present in isotonic drinks help maintain energy levels during intense physical exercise, in addition to helping to replenish muscle glycogen after training. However, it is important to remember that isotonic drinks should be consumed in moderation and appropriately to the individual needs of each person, since the excess sugar present in these products can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Furthermore, isotonics should not be seen as a magic solution to improve physical performance, and their use should be combined with a healthy diet and an adequate exercise program to maximize their benefits. In conclusion, isotonic drinks are drinks that contain water, electrolytes, and carbohydrates, and are intended to replace the nutrients lost during intense physical exercise, in addition to helping to hydrate and maintain the body's hydroelectrolytic balance. Its consumption must be moderate and adequate to the individual needs of each person.